We are the Greens, a homeschool family of 5 that has been blessed by God to travel the United States a couple months out of the year, and we're thrilled to have you along on our adventure. We try to live life on the greener side. Click the subscribe button to follow along.
So I want to talk about a big pro of the Wildwood Heritage Glen 369bl. I know, mouthful, right? There's this huge pantry. The negative though is we already broke it. So completely under-engineered from the factory. I know, like, again, weight is everything with these campers, but these shelves failed. So what am I going to do? Let me pick it up and turn it around, show you, give you a game plan, and then walk through the steps of how I'm going to make it happen. So here are these shelves, and you can see here as I scroll in, they're connected. Sorry for the lighting there, but they're just kind of screwed in, 2 screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a support between the shelves and then on the bottom shelf too. So I went over to Home Depot and I found some gray shelving material, like if you're going to make a shelf in your house. So I don't want to have to paint anything, and then I think it'll somewhat match. It won't look perfect, but then as we're going down the road, instead of just having those screws holding it, it'll just build up from the bottom shelf up to the top, and I think that will be a lot better than what we have now. So I'm going to take some measurements and get cutting on that and stick them in there and see how it works, how it looks, and keep you here along the way. Alright, now we just take some measurements, transfer them to that shelf that I talked about, and we'll go from there. $15.5 and 15 3/4. Alright, so made the cuts. Show you the edge. So here is the edge of the cut side. So nice and clear. Here's the edge without the tape. So I don't know if you can see there now, but yeah, you should be able to see how jagged that is. So use the painter's tape, and then even the edge, no painter's tape there, painter's tape there. So the ugly edges we'll put against the wall, of course. But this gray and this gray, does it match up perfect? No. Is it cheaper and easier than painting something white or gray? Yes. I think it'll look pretty good. Here's what I already put in. Switch this around here. Alright, so that's how we're going to support it. And then what I'll do is I will, of course, remove that tape, but I'm going to glue it with some heavy-duty construction adhesive. And then also put some like 16 or like some brad nails or something in there, just to tack it in. But that should fix that. Again, huge pantry, right? We really love the pantry and the size of it. but one trip so far and it failed. It was under warranty. They fixed it. They put on there, improperly created from the factory to hold food. We made it better, which they did. General RV did a top-notch job making it better, but this should really help out that we should never have to worry about it again. So I'll get that installed and should be done in here in just a moment. The construction adhesive should get the job done, but we're going to throw some 18 gauge finish nails in there just in case, make sure it stays. Alright, so I'll give you a report. But get out of the way again and you can see. So there we are. So is it perfect? Yeah, it matches alright, right? It's not too bad. Better than like black, I guess. But that'll get it done for now. And yeah, hopefully, it's nice and tight. Reach around here and shake. Like you can't move at all. This one is pressed up against it, so I think that this will work really well. Here's the other side again. No movement. And we're already starting packing for the next trip, so no movement. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. This is again for the Wildwood Heritage Glen 369bl. Flip that around. I'm starting to sweat. All right. So the Wildwood Heritage Glen 369bl, probably, similar on the 372. And I know the Hemispheres, I believe, are the exact same, and probably a lot of floor plans from Forest River are exactly the same. So hopefully this helps you. I think it's going to help us. And yeah, thanks for following. If this was beneficial, please like. And if you want to subscribe and watch our family take vacations, we'd love to have you along. And looking forward to the next one. Thank you, and have a great evening.